Yeah.
He's trying to see. Hey, bud. Look at him.
What do you see? Who's in there, huh?
Oh.
Is that Boomer?
Where's Boomer, buddy? Go get Boomer. Go get him.
Boomer.
You love Boomer, don't you, bud? Go get him.
Go get Boomer.
Grandma will let you get Boomer. Good boy.
Hey, Boomer.
Your Boomer's tail, buddy.
There's Grandpa.
Your first tubby in the real tub. Are you splashing? Are you splish splashing? You say hi to Daddy.
Hi, say hi to the camera.
Say hi, splish splashing, huh? Are you gonna swim someday, buddies?
Beat that water up.
Get it,
Beat
get
that
it,
water
buddy.
up.
Yeah, good boy. Good job, buds. Hey, you silly man. Just hanging out with Talon in the morning, watching him play. Going from one thing to the next. Here's your dog. Play with that instead. He wants to rip up the alphabet mat because Daddy showed him that you can take it apart, and now he's fascinated by it. Talon, play with this. Look at your ducky. Or your... You got it, buddy. Good catch. Is Daddy teaching you how to catch?
Look at him. He looks at the ball. Yeah, good catch. You're such a good catcher.
Good job, buds.
Got better hands than like buds.
Babe, I was going to put it on Facebook now. I can't. Hey, Talon, can you show us how you can clap now? Are you trying to clap? Here, put this down for a sec. Here, go clap, clap. Hey, who's that? Yeah, you clapping? Clap, clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job, Bobo. Good job, you're clapping. Yay! Yay! Good job. I have no idea where this is coming from. Who's home? Who's home? Who's here? Who's home? gonna go get Papa? Go say hi to Daddy. Oh my God, I've just been laughing for like 5 minutes straight of him just rolling, laughing. Do you love your doggy blanket? Can you give your doggy? Oh, you cuddling with your dog? Oh, you love your doggy blanket. Oh, it's so soft. You cuddling with it? Oh, you laying down? Oh, what's wrong? Oh, it's so soft, huh? And you have your doggy t-shirt on? Oh. Oh, cuddle again? Talon found the toy box. What do you want in there, buddy? Huh? What's in there that you want? Huh? You want your truck? Talon. Talon. Oh, you got your apple? Oh, your mirror. Did you find your mirror, buddy? You gotta get it. You can do it. Come on. Nice work, dude. You got your mirror, huh? Did you get what you wanted? Good boy.